Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be showing you this new loan website which has a lot of features. Users can deposit, users can withdraw, users can actually still apply for loan too. So in this particular video I'm going to be showing you guys how this website works and how you can also see set up this particular website for yourself. As you can see, this is actually the front end of this particular loan website. As you can see, everything's already talking about loan already. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let me just go straight to the dashboard so that we can just see how this actually work. Alright, so once you log into your account, once you finish registering, you log into your account, take you straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right here. Alright, so you can activate your 2FA authentication and all of that here. So this particular dashboard, we have your self deposit, self withdrawal, total loan, that's the amount of loan you have taken so far. Then we have your running loan right here. Alright, so once you take loan, we are showing right here. So let's start from the first one, which is take loan. So click on take loan. This is where you can apply for loan. Right, so all these loan plan can also be added from the admin side. Alright, so this is the first loan right. You have agricultural land, commercial land, so you can just apply for a particular loan. So let's say I want to apply for this loan now. So you just need to input the amount. The minimum for this loan is 100,000. So you can just put 100,000 right here. Click on confirm. All right, minimum. Okay, all right. 100,000. 1, 2. All right, click on confirm. All right, so this is the you need to put your father's name, middle name, and all of that, occupation, your salary, and all of that. But like, yeah, then you can click on apply. All right, so that's how the loan part actually works. If you go to my loans will just be all the loans you have taken. So the history will be showing right here. So the next part is deposit. Once you click on deposit, so this is the part. So you can deposit with different method, either it's automatic bank transfer, or any other thing here. All right, so you can also still pay with deposit with different method. All right, so you can also see use bank transfer, Coinbase, different payment methods right here too. So this loan website actually accept all that here. So when you want to take deposit to this particular website, this loan website, so you can use different payment methods. So you can also still use any method here, right? So that's all for the depositing part. All right, so the next part here is the withdrawal part. So if you click on withdrawal, so you can withdraw your money back straight to your bank with bank transfer or mobile money, so depending on you. So all this can actually still be set from the admin, so you can off a particular method and also still on a particular method. It just depends on you. All right, so we have transactions right here. All right, so the next part is the transactions part. So click on transactions. So this is all where all your transactions will be on the website. So when you make a deposit, you make a withdrawal, then take loan and all of that. So this is where the history will be. Okay. So this website also see support tickets. So users can also see create support tickets. So you can open a ticket right here and you can put the subject, the priority, if it's high, low, then put your message, then add attachment if you have that. Then you can just click on submit. So you can see ticket open successfully, it's right there. So you can see you can reply, all of that will be shown right there. Okay, so we also have 2FA settings. So you can set up your 2FA. There's I think this should be Google Authenticator. You can just copy this, then anytime you want to do a transfer or log into a particular account, so you'll be asked to put your switch code, which will be sent to your Google Authentication app. All right, so that's all for the two-factor authentication. So we have profile too. This where you can edit your profile, your first name, last name, edit your profile pictures and all of that on this section. Okay, then we have change password. Change password, this way you can change your password. All right, so as you can see, copy your current password, your new password, find the password. As you can see, that is just all about this particular loan um website dashboard. As you can see, it's very straight to the point, nothing too complex in this particular website. And also it also still have email notification too. All right, so anytime user take loan or place a withdrawal or make a deposit, so they will also still receive email notification for that too. Right, so this is all about the user dashboard. So the next part we're talking about is the admin dashboard. All right, so to access your admin dashboard, to be your domain name slash admin to access your admin dashboard. All right, so once you log in, it will take you straight to this dashboard which you are seeing right now. All right, so for the dashboard, we have total users, active users, email unverified users, mobile unverified users. You have your total deposit, pending deposit, rejected deposit, deposited charge, withdrawal. You have a withdrawal, running loans, pending loans, due loans, pay loans, and just some statistics stuff here too. All right, so that's all for the dashboard part. So let's go to the loan management. So for the loan management, you can see your pending loans. You can see these are pending loans, so you can um see all the pending loans which here. You can see the user right here. So you can click on the particular user to see. You can click on the particular users right here. So particular user which did that transaction, that loan. Same thing for the running loans too. You can see all the running loans right here. Same thing for the due loans, pay loans, and the rejected loans. Then all loans will just be a combination of both everything, both the running, pending loan, and all of that. Yeah. Alright, so that's all for the loan management session. So the next part is the manage user session. So manage user session, we have active users. So active users will be people that have done their email verification and stuff like that right here. We have found you can click on the particular user right here now to see, okay, let's click on the particular user. So you want to fund that user balance, so you can just input the amount right there. So this particular one account, you can just click on submit. Click on submit right. So you can also see fund user on this particular page. Then you can also see login particular user account. You can just see all the history about that particular account. So you can on the verification, on the KYC, and all of that on this user session. So bound user will be user you have bounded for your site. Then email verified, from the name you know that users that have not verified their email. We have mobile unverified, people that have not done their mobile verification. KYC unverified, people that have not done their KYC. Then we have pending KYC. Then with balance, this is all the users that have balance this particular website. Then all will be to all the users, that the combination of both the active, bound, unverified, all of them will be right there. So also see how to send notifications. So you can send notification to selected user. You can put the particular user which you want to send email to, send SMS, then that's where to send notification. Then we have deposit, we have pending deposit. All the users that have done deposits be on this particular session. So you can see the deposits there, right? So you can click on the details of that particular deposit, so you can see it, then you can either approve or reject it, right? So pending deposit, that's where all pending deposit will be. Approved deposit will be where all approved deposit will be. Successful deposits or the successful deposits, rejected deposits, all deposits will be the combination of everything. All right, so that's all for the deposit session. Let's go to the withdrawal session. Pending withdrawals, you can see all the withdrawals, all the people that have done withdrawal on this particular website. So you can view, I can see the status is actually pending, so you can click on details Click on details, click on approve or actually reject that particular withdrawal. Then we have approve withdrawal, rejected withdrawal, all withdrawals. All withdrawals will be combination of everything. Alright, then we have support ticket, pending ticket. So it was the one I did earlier, so you can click on it. So you can reply this particular ticket, then reply, or you can close that ticket right there. Alright, so we have close ticket, answer ticket, or ticket. Alright, then we have subscribers. So it's all the subscribers. Alright, so next part is the system settings. System settings will be, okay, first of all, have your general settings. General settings will be to set your site title, the currency, your symbol, time zone. You can change the color, right? All on this particular session. Go back, we have um loan plan. All right, loan plans will be where you can also add loan plan right here. So plan name, title, minimum, maximum, all of that here for the loan plan, and you can also still edit a particular loan plan, or you can also disable it on edit, so you can edit this particular loan, right? So that's all for that section. We have logos and favicon. This is where you can change your logo of this particular website. We have system configuration, so you can allow registration for SSL, you can on KYC, email verification, all of that here. This for the system configuration. We have notification settings. This will be right, so you can just leave this part. This will just be the email settings, right? So you can just choose this to set up the SMTP. So you can put your host, your port, SSL, and your username. SMS settings, push notification settings, notification templates right here. All right. So we have next part is the payment gateway. Payment gateway will be the payment gateway which you allow on this particular website. So you can choose it manual. Manual gateway is enabled, that is bank wire. So you can edit or add a particular one depending on you. All right. We have withdrawal method. Withdrawal method will be withdrawal method not to allow yourself. So you can add a particular one. So you can put the currency, the rate, the minimum, maximum, fixed charge, and all of that instruction here too. That's for the withdrawal method. We have SEO configuration. This to do SEO on your website. Then we have front end. This to edit. Let's say you want to edit something in the about us page, and click on it so you can edit something that's switching the front end. Then we have KYC settings. So use it for the KYC settings that you allow the users, you want them to submit. We have social login settings. Okay, you want to allow users to log in with their Facebook or Google. So this way you can also still configure that. We have language. To add the language in your website, is it right there. Cron job, this will set the cron job. All right, as it's running. We have I think that's all for this particular, for the setting part. All right, you can see it's very easy to um very straight to the point. All right, so that's all about the user side and the admin side. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this particular website for yourself. All right, so let's do that now. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how you can also set up this particular website for yourself. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to get your domain name and hosting. If you don't know how to get that, you can contact the number you see below this particular video. All right, so once you get your domain and hosting, you have a cPanel details. Once you log in, take you straight to this part which you are seeing right now. The first thing you need to do is to scroll down and look for file manager. Click on that. All right. I already have a, once you click on it, go to public underscore HTML. Click on that. So for this particular video, I'm going to be using a subdomain. I already have a subdomain right here already. Test one. All right. So I could just delete all this. I don't need this anymore. Alright, so I'm inside my subdomain already. So if you want to put yours inside the public colors for HTML, you can just do the same thing which I'm doing. Alright, so just click on upload, select file, then select the particular file right here. So we just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So while that is uploading, let's actually create our database. Alright, so I'll just copy this name. Let me copy that. So come back to this place and search for DB. So which is database wizard. Click on it. So once you click on database wizard, so you just have to put your DB name. You can use DB, but I want to use this particular name like this. So depending on you, this name I want to use, click on next step. Then alright, so that has been created. So we need to create our user. So I can just use the same name. Then for my password, I can just click on generate password, and I'll copy this password and use password, but I don't want to do that. So I'll just use everything to be the same. So I can just copy this, put it there, then click on create user. Alright, so once click on create user, um alright, so allow all privileges. You can either click on make changes or next step, actually the same thing. So I'll click on make changes. Alright, so that has been created already. So let's see if the files are finished uploading. Alright, perfect. You can finish uploading. So you can cancel this. Go back here and go back to your subdomain and just reload here. You can see the zip file right there. So you just right click and extract file. Alright, let's wait for it to finish extracting. Alright, so once you see this, just know the file has finished extracting. Just click on close and reload. Alright, so once you are finished extracting, just click on the particular folder. So click on files, then just select all, then move it to the name of the folder, which to the subdomain, or you can move it. If you did public class HTML, you can just clean everything and move it like this. But mine is inside a subdomain, so it should just be move like this. So I just click on move files, right? Click on move files, it will be something like this. Alright, so I just have to copy my, just go to your browser and search for your load your domain name up here. Alright, so you can see need PHP version 8.1. Alright, to do that, you just have to search for PHP PHP multi PHP manager, which is particular right here, the PHP manager. So I'm working on my subdomain. So if your own is inside the public HTML, you should just look for um your, it will be this particular one right here. It will just be your domain name. So you just have to click on that particular one. But my subdomain is test1. So I just click on this one, then scroll up and change this to 8.1. Click on apply. Alright. Alright, so that I'm done. So just load here again. Alright, so for the installation process, just scroll down, click on agree, next step. Then you can see say call bootstrap catch. It will be 7055 call bootstrap catch. Call bootstrap, they said it to be 7055 7055 70 0775 alright. So just remove this 5 and put 7 here, click on save. Alright, that is done. The next one is call storage. Just go back, call storage, move this 5 and put 7, click on save. Next one is call storage framework. Alright, call storage framework, call storage framework. So just change this to save that. Next one is called storage logs. This is it right here. So you can just click on it and just click on change that 5 to 7, click on save. Alright, so that is done. Let's reload this. Let's reload this and check. Alright, so call storage app. I've not done that one. Call storage app. Call storage app. This one too. Change this to. Save that. Then let's reload this. I just hard refresh is Control F5 to actually hard refresh that. Alright, you can see. Good to go. Next step. Alright, so that will be my domain name. So the database which you created before, you can just put it here. Already have mine already. Which is what was the name? I used to get that I can just go to my PHP admin to get that. So it's just available to write the name which you created. Just write it down. But in case you don't know that, let me just get it from here. PHP admin. So you just have to put your database name. Your host should be local host. That will be the host. So depending on your provider, the name I created was Rapid Loan. So I use everything the same. My DB name, username, all of. So this my username, my password are the same thing. So you'll be asked to set your username and set your password. So I can just put admin at mail as my password, and you can just click on install now. Alright, so let's wait for it to finish installing. Oh my. So once you just click on install, then the site will be up and running and everything is done already. So you can just access your once you install it, you just take you straight there, so you can be able to access your admin and access your site. Then everything will be good to go. So once you do that, you'll be able to access your admin and access the site. So that's all for this particular video. That's it, very easy to set up. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.